I have a client right now based in Europe, pero hindi ako hinire as funnel designer niya. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how I became the project manager of this international client kahit funnel design position yung in-applyan ko. And why this matters to you, especially kung nag-aalala ka na baka isang skill lang ang kaya mong i-offer. Hi, I'm Bebs and I help Filipinos work smarter, not harder, so they can earn online, work from home, and build a life they actually love. So, I've been in freelancing for 11 years na, and in that time, funnel design lang talaga yung naging foundation ko. Pero what I want to share with you today, it's not about funnels. It's about like a new chapter of my career na hindi ko in-expect. So, ito yung setup. I have this new client right now based in Europe. Part-time retainer agreement kami. Night-aligned yung hours namin because of the time difference. Pero here's the twist. He already has his own graphics team. Meaning, I'm not there to do their visuals. Hindi rin ako nandun para mag-design ng mga landing pages or funnels, gaya ng ginagawa ko before. So, I'm his project manager. I oversee the whole workflow from planning to coordinating with his team to making sure everything gets executed on time. 'Di ba kakaiba? Kasi first time ko to with all my previous clients. Ako mismo yung nagde-design ng visuals, nagbi-build ng funnels, nagde-design ng mga landing pages. Dito hindi. Although I am allowed to do those things, pero yun nga, hindi ako required. And I'll be honest, at first, medyo nag-alangan din ako. Like, I was thinking, can I actually do this? Ang akala ko kasi kailangan ko muna mag-take ng course para maging project manager. Pero here's what I realized. He didn't hire me because I'm an expert sa graphics or sa pagde-design ng funnels. He hired me because I understand how funnel project actually moves from strategy to execution. That skill, like understanding the whole system, not just one part of it, that's actually more valuable than just being able to make something look nice. Kasi think about it, a lot of people, especially designers or funnel designers, can make pretty designs, pero kukunti lang yung marunong talagang mag-isip kung paano dapat umandar yung buong process. Like, who does what, when, and why in this specific order. That's what I learned from this. Your skill isn't just about one output. If you understand the whole funnel system, you can play a lot of different roles. Like you can be a designer, a strategist, a project manager, automation specialist, or even become a consultant. Now, bakit ko sinasabi sa inyo to? Kasi marami sa inyo yung natatakot mag-freelance because you think na isang skill lang ang meron ako. What if hindi pa yun sapat? Pero alam mo ba, kapag natutunan mo yung funnel design ng tama, you don't just walk away with one skill. You also get an understanding of marketing, of the sales process, of managing projects, of talking to clients. And all of that is transferable to other roles. So when I tell you na mag-aral ka ng funnel design, it's not just about becoming a designer. It's about opening a lot of opportunity that no matter where your career takes you, you're able to adopt. As simple as that, the foundation we teach in Elite Funnel Designers Academy or EFDA isn't just so you can build a nice looking funnel. It's about understanding the whole business behind it. So whatever kind of opportunity comes your way, you're ready for it. So if there's one thing to take away from this, sana ito. Don't limit yourself to just one box. Baka akala mo designer ka lang, pero it turns out, kaya mo palang maging strategist. Baka akala mo VA ka lang, pero kaya mo naman palang mag-manage ng buong project. Because your real asset isn't just one skill. Your real asset is your understanding the whole process. So whether you think you can or you can't, you are right. So don't close yourself off into a small box. You're capable of so much more than that. So if you're interested in learning funnel design this way, not just the design part, but really understanding the system behind it, that's actually what I teach inside EFDA. So if you are interested, lalagay ko yung link just sa description box in case you want to check it out. And if you want to see how to build funnel first, like kung paano siya gawin and to have a hands-on experience on doing or building funnels, available pa rin yung aking free course. Ilalagay ko rin yung link dyan sa baba. But for now, I want to hear from you. Ano yung skill mo right now na akala mo isang box lang, pero baka mas malaki pa pala yung kaya niyang ibigay sa'yo? Comment it below, gusto kong mabasa. And if you haven't subscribed yet, mag-subscribe ka na. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button below para maging updated ka whenever I upload new videos like this. So until next time, let's build something together.